All right, so we're on the house tour. So we came down from the upper property. That's where the trooper normally is, and now we have the house. So this was here, a version of it. We had everything redone and this tile put in. And I'll take you up to the dormitorios, which will serve as the host space for the retreats. They are not finished and pretty yucky, but so you can get an idea of what the house looked like before. They're so funny. It's like whatever we have left, we'll just use that tile. Back there will be a little bathroom. So they're both generally the same, but we had all this tiled up here. This was all painted. There is nice windows and nice doors. And then we just had this awning put on, which helps so much now with rainy season. And then you come over here. This is a Guatemalan sink called a pila. So that's nice. And then we have this little outdoor bathroom, which with all the crazy rain drug in all of this mud. So it is kind of nice, but not right now. But that's kind of nice, except for like the workers use it and then we don't have water, and then that's a thing. So then you come to our kitchen. So we have a bar here. And one day, oh, there's Nugget. I would love, there they are. Can we get foods, please? One day I'd love for this all to be cleaned up. Currently it serves as the dog's space and Matt's place for all of the junk. And these open and close, so that can be opened. And we had it closed up because it was fly season and really, so many flies. So this is the kitchen. It looks much more glamorous than it is. That has yet to be used because water is a thing. And even though we have an abundance of water now, when we don't have power, we can't use water because the pump pumps the water. And so oftentimes, even if we have water, we don't have water. Come on, puppies. Well, we're gonna hope that they don't get in there. But we had this carpenter make these bar stools, and if you shop for furniture, you know how expensive bar stools are, and he made these for like a fraction. So it's nice to be able to have handmade stuff, and also frustrating, like it's impossible to buy furniture here. So now we'll go into the mudroom, which was necessary when you lived with Matt, to have a whole room for him to get all the dirt off. It still doesn't work. And then we have a washer dryer yet to be used. Don't know if we'll have enough water for that, and or are missing a part, so I still take laundry to town. And our little cubbies, which I want to get pretty curtains, make pretty curtains for. I made this cool little macrame hat rack for Matt. Dutch door that serves absolutely no purpose, and I'm vying to get that off. We have this because they cannot figure out how to do locks. So this is a prime example of we live in Guatemala. Here's some of Matt's art from when he was a kid. And then this is our bedroom. So kind of like a little living space, fireplace. I wanted everything white and then realized that didn't work. So did some painting. It's taken me since Christmas to make all of those hanging baskets. And still a lot of clutter because a lot of this is art supplies that will go down in the workshop. But all of the beautiful hand carved doors, and I painted all of that and all of that. And there's Guster watching over us. That's an original wall of the house. This is the original tiling of the house. These are the original staircase. Pretty cool. This is like, you can open this up and there's cubby under there. And this is Matt's closet. These are all my art projects. This is for a girlfriend's new baby. So that's Matt's closet in there. And then this is the bathroom. Picking out tile was quite the endeavor. I went to the city to do it and did it myself, and holy moly, you know, when you don't speak fluent Spanish, try and get some things done. There's for when we don't have water, so we can flush the toilet. We had the same tile put in those nooks. This glorious, glorious bathtub and shower looks just delightful, and I can't tell you the last time I had a hot shower, and a bath is kind of inconceivable. So, this dehumidifier, which is saving our life, it's like more than a gallon when it fills up, and it's like 4, 5, 6 times a day. It's crazy. So it's helped a lot with allergies and mold. And this is my office. So I've got the office set up. All your office needs, including your chimes and your harmonium and your instruments. And this is a closet, so it's got built-ins, and I'm making a macrame curtain for there. These lights were a fun story of me negotiating and having it out with this lady over prices. And this is my closet. And then we'll take you over the bridge and through the woods. Grandmother's house we go to the outside space. See all the cool railings. We saw those in El Paredon. This is like the style. So you can find this set at anybody who has maybe a tiny little bit of money. So this is the view from up here. And you can see Matt's garden down there. It's a rainy day here in Guatemala. And we'll head back in and take you to the sala. You can kind of see from these windows too, like those where the dormitorios are. And permanent scratching pad for the cats. And we'll go to the sala. So there's the little hallway, which is nice. I got tiled. They just put this awning on, which is really nice because it keeps it much cooler in the living room. And it gave us this neat little space. So Matt built this fireplace, fire pit. Yeah, and now we'll check out the sala. Everything is still the work in progress, although now feels much more livable. So this is a big deal. Furniture, couch, holy moly. Carpet, what? So this room I decided to do green and try painting on pokey cement. That's quite the project. These are fun, they fold out. So all the furniture pretty much comes from Guatemala City. This we got in Pana. The couch was the city. Those chairs were the city. Here I'm going to do a big gold mural. And then this piece of wood we got in El Paredon. And I'm going to do a big macrame curtain here. And hopefully this gets cleaned up and it'll be like a mini fridge, little bar. And then we have a little bathroom here. So nice little handmade sink from San Antonio. And then we had them make the base for it. I just saw this really cool green color toilet that I want to get for there instead and switch that one out with one of the toilets in the casitas. And that's the sala. Fun, pretty windows, beautiful views. Imagine yourself being here one day. All right, y'all. Wish I was there.